Welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Tech Mahindra TSE off-campus new hiring for freshers and experience and Cornerstone off-campus drive announced for 2025 batch. You are from BE, BTech, MCA eligible for opportunity. Like and share the video. All videos are for all of you and you have to apply for all opportunity which I am sharing on our channel. Yesterday 11 hours ago I shared one direct opportunity, immediate joining is there. Suppose if you not applied for opportunity yet, you can apply. So first hiring is basically from Cornerstone on demand. It's related to junior engineer. It is reposted 17 hours ago. Clearly it is mentioned 25 batch is eligible for opportunity and BE, BTech, MCA freshers recent candidates. So must apply for opportunity junior engineer intern 11-month internship Hyderabad 2025 batch pass out. So must apply for opportunity ASAP. This opportunity is posted yesterday. Next hiring is basically from Tech Mahindra. They are hiring for service desk technical support role, international voice. 3 to 5 lakh rupees is the package. Openings is 50 and everything is mentioned here. They are hiring for the technical support. This is the requirement. Freshers no pursuing 0 to 5 year of experience is required, means freshers are eligible also and experience are also eligible. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 can try to apply for opportunity. Suppose you are waiting for ASE hiring, so you can skip for this. But if you are interested, if you are from non-tech branches, because most probably in the Tech Mahindra, tech branches and non-tech branches are very different, so you can try to apply for this opportunity. Next hiring is basically from Ingrersoll and they are hiring for apprentice engineer. Location is Gujarat, India, Ahmedabad. You are from mechanical and electrical, you are eligible for opportunity. 22,000 rupees per month is the stipend. Everything is mentioned by company itself. Next hiring is basically from Limechat. They are hiring for software development engineer SDE. Bangalore, Gurgaon is the location. It's active. Status is active. You can apply for opportunity. 1 to 3 year of experience is required. You can click on apply now button and fill this form. This form was created inside of Limechat official form. Next hiring is basically from Novartis. They are hiring for intern role to used by only intern or student position. You are from 26 batch, you can easily apply for opportunity. Next hiring is basically from Deloitte. They are hiring for talent acquisition. Internship is there, everything is mentioned. This is the responsibility, this is the requirement, your role as a trainee. So you can apply for opportunity according to the skill set. Next hiring is basically from Cloudflare. They are hiring for network engineer. In office is the location Bangalore, India. Everything is mentioned. It's a skills based opportunity. Apprentice opportunity from Bank of America for 2026 batch. Clearly mentioned eligible final year student BE BTech 2026 class only. So must apply for opportunity. It's a good hiring. Last hiring is a product engineer backend focus from Sundial company. Everything is mentioned about company. If you are interested, you can fill out this form. It's a good opportunity. I hope you find this video well. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching the video.